Green in the air from our flagger, Mr. Dizzy. The school band leading the way.
And at this time, could we get all the Power Wheels parents to come around the back end and meet over here towards the side of the ground building for the Power Wheels Derby. Green flag is out, we're rolling in heat race number 2. Around the very tight end, a good jump for the 190.
190 pulling ahead there, no far. 501 slows that down. 78 to 62, pulling back a little bit more. Clean to the corner, 90 coming across the line from Black Bell. Rushing that down to the top.
tired. This is tired. This is tired. Oh my god. Yeah.
We had a tire loose. Well, how about that to start us off?
Yeah. Woo!
Safety crew making sure everything is safe to go.
Let's go.
We gotta figure out who's missing a wheel.
I think this guy over here is.
The 481 has also dropped the steel bumper there on the ground, making sure everything is safe before we get refired.
You know, Derek, the more I think about this, the more I think losing a wheel is a pretty good reason to go visit our friends at O'Reilly's.
Yeah, I'd say so. O'Reilly Auto Parts, the presenting sponsor of all our action here at Motorsports Mayhem at the Washington State Spring Fair and the Umpqua Bank Grandstands. Check it in to make sure everyone's okay. Push start who needs it. Checking to see if we've got flats or anything like that. Clearing off any dangerous debris.
We're only a few laps in anyway. We've got more to come once we get the racks and stacked back up, getting the push trucks out, helping get these drivers gridded back up. Well, race fans, what do we think of that so far?
Yeah.
Who wants some more?
Let's go.
Well, I don't know. I don't know what they were coming out of it.
Welcome your engine. Another good reason to go visit O'Reilly Auto Parts.
Using their awesome O'Reilly Veriscan for free. They can scan and check that out and see what's wrong with your vehicle. Solve your check engine light worries. O'Reilly Auto Parts is professional parts and people. Help to make Motorsports Mayhem here at the Spring Fair happen across both weekends.
History 3 in the 07 on the front row.
Here we go. Get it.
Green.
Well, good fun.
Oh.
Oh!
Oh.
5.1. It's a little different.
Oh, look at the wheel. Oh. Jeez. Oh, we're out. Red.
Red flag flies once again.
That was a tough contact there.
Ooh. He looks like me. He's in some pain. Why is the girl with cocaine? He doesn't. Yeah, they bet they all freaking. Lord. That's funny.
Looks like we're getting rolling again. We still gotta pick a winner. Someone's gotta come home with the trophy. Green.
The 07 in the lead here. 78 trying to get to him. Hold on the minors for the 07. Trying to make it work.
the drivers that are hauling these boats behind them. The 245 is your first driver out. That's Zach Powell of Chehalis.
In the 59 of fan favorite, he is the driver out of Auburn, and that's Tony, the Tiger Finley.
The 359 has maybe the smallest yacht in the fleet, but that doesn't stop him from getting out in front. Jake Parham out of Federal Way, the 359.
Driving the 76, he hails from Sequoia. He's got that boat behind him, that's Brandon Dale.
Tony Dimlick has quite a large yacht behind him.
Tony's got a big target.
Psycho! He loops his own boat around him, just pulling on out. So these drivers all haul. Exactly. Keep your boat alive and make some noise. That way, you all will decide who wins this race later on. And oh, did we forget to mention that they're still going through the extreme intersection.
Well then, how many boat punts did you fit in tonight?
Let's go, Tony!
Who's ready to go boating?
I can do your answer.
Let's go,
I
Tony!
don't think I can hear the fans in the back of that. Who's ready to go boating?
Will you look for me now? Showtime!
Oh, yeah!
Timlet's trying to get the people out. Black flag down to the 245. He has no boat.
Look at that one! 55 trying to defend that ball! How much left?
I think the 245 is up on the boat.
Go, Tony!
359! Disconnect the boat!
Go, Tony! Oh! Go, Tony! Go, Tony!
Getting some bonus features on the right side! Look at all those cars!
I didn't even know who had the boat left.
And the Tigers got himself!
Oh my God! Tony!
I guess 359 is still technically coming!
He hit his own boat!
And red flag. And a red flag.
Yes!
Red flag is out. I'm pretty sure we have boats on tops of cars.
Yes! Tony!
Make some noise for that boat burning.
Yes!
Getting all the engines shut off, making sure everyone is A-OK.
Holy crud!
And that looks like the signal that we are done.
Yeah!
We'll get our list on who you're voting on.
Come on, it's Tony all day. Come on, like you got it. That's the best part, is it?
All right, so these are your cars to vote from. Gotta wait for them to try to unstick themselves.
Tony's trying to get out. Wow!
noise. How about the 359? Next car up, the 159. Next driver to vote on the 55.
5.
And next, Psycho in the 69. All right, we've narrowed it down to 3. So let's hear it again for the 359. How about the 55? And how about the 69? And by only what you guys give us out there in the crowds, your winner tonight is
Tony.
Psycho!
Tony should have won.
Second place to the driver of the 55, Stephen Page.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
3, 2, 1.
vehicles. And once the safety crews vacated
my god. Dude, this guy over here in the,
Our track
back
safety
one?
crew's got to be cleaned up.
I know, dude. Look at that.
Make some noise. Who wants some more? I don't know who wants more?
Yeah! Woo!
Make some noise for our track crew, getting the track cleaned up so we can go back to that action.
Who do you think's gonna bring this home so far? Put some hands together for the O2 if you think they're gonna bring it home. Who thinks the M16? What about the 10W? Or what about the 10S?
Chris, go, go, go!
I think we still have a few cars running. We're not done yet. So who's gonna bring this thing home? Will it be the 191 or will it be the 178? The 10X is still alive. So is the O2 and the 10W and plus more. The 172's out there. Who do you think's gonna bring it home?
191. Guys, great.
Green flag is out. We're over with the band.
Get it.
JJ Randall from the front end of the 191. I think Potter Cross is still trying to get the O2 roll, and he's been in for a while. Oh, good time. Right into that pile. Here they come. Back up the shot for the 191. JJ Randall. I see three cars still competitively moving. The 191, the 178. Who's going to bring this one home? Three cars locked in a dead heat. Right through the side of Randall. Looks like the 191 might be stuck over there, still trying to get himself free. This might be the end for Kevin Robinson. Randall might come and clean him up. Looks like we might be down 2-2. Dave Martin and JJ Randall. Robinson's right there. Robinson is free. The 191 will not be there. Look at the smoke pouring out of them. All three cars still going for it. Make some noise for Randall and top three. Robinson over yet.
Keep making noise!
Robinson is pushing Randall all the way back to the Robinson's trying to stay in this one. Randall. Robinson might just be out of drive. And the red flag is out. The red flag is out. Make some noise for our top three so far. It might be down to 2. Let's hear it if you believe the 10X of Dave Morton's gonna bring it home. All right, let's hear if you think the 178 of JJ Randall's gonna bring it home. We shall see with the green flag. And red flag back out.
Our crew checking to make sure there's no fires.
All right, Ridge fans, we still might just be down to the same 2. Let's hear it. Who's gonna bring this thing home?
I don't know, let him go.
Who wants to see a victor? It connects. Randall just trying to deliver the blows. Does Morton have anything left in that car? Another hit from Randall. Morton has been pinned next to the O2. Can he get out of it? Another hit from Randall. JJ Randall's trying to hang on. Between Morton and Randall, there are two cars that are still running. JJ Randall's backing up. And a double big shot to Gabe. Backing up again. Gonna really set up this roll. He's got barely any wheel on the front.
Oh,
Delivers
shit.
another shot to Morton.
Dude, this guy has it. That's insane.
Randall, another one to Morton. Make some noise.
Flags in his hand.
JJ Randall's trying to do everything he can to secure victory. Gabe Morton hasn't moved in a minute. The champion is out!
Wow, way to go. Dude, this guy had one wheel the whole time.
Launch car, WWE winner, JJ Randall!
Cars on the floor. That's wild.
Heading out there for trophy presentations. Want to let you know that once we're finished with trophy presentations, at the conclusion of the event, come through gate number 1 of the Umpqua Bank Grandstand. Gate number 1, and you can come out here to the track, see the surface, meet the drivers, see the cars that you saw tonight. But with that,